Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Exploring MS. In today's video, I'm gonna show you something, which might turn out to be pretty helpful because I've been getting a lot of questions like, how to book an appointment in AIIMS, how do I get to visit one of the doctors in AIIMS, right? So now the answer is that, you really cannot just walk in and try to meet any of the doctors, right? You need to take an appointment, right? So how do you take an appointment? Now it is possible to go into AIIMS website and take an appointment from there. I will show you in this video how do you take an appointment from AIIMS. So I'm sharing my screen now. If you see here, I've just typed on AIIMS appointment in Google search, right? The moment you type on AIIMS appointment, you see this page, ORS Patient Portal, right? So you can click on this first link here, and this link will take you to this particular page wherein you can log in, you can enter your mobile and your this capture code that you can see. If you already have the health ID, you can log in with the health ID also. Now whenever you are an AIIMS patient, you get the health ID, right? So you can either log in with that, or what I usually do is I just enter my mobile number, I enter the capture, and I click on get OTP, right? So once I get the OTP and I enter the OTP, then it takes me to the appointment page. So this is the appointment page that you can see, right? Now I already have the appointment, that is the reason that you can see the appointment slip here. The last time I met Dr. Bhatia was on what was the date here? 5th of August 2025, and I have already taken an appointment for November, right? Because yes, you really can't get those appointments if you want to go next week. It's very difficult that you get the appointment, just 1 week in advance. That's difficult, right? So you can check your profile once you've created it. You can add your family members, and if you want a new appointment, then you can click on appointment, and then take a new appointment also. Now if I click on this appointment, my name shows here. That's how the process is. You can click on Delhi, and then Delhi AIIMS Delhi, right? So is it an appointment as a fresh appointment, or if it is for existing appointment, you want to see the appointment status, appointment slip, or you want to cancel the appointment, you can do that too, right? If I click on appointment here, I again get an option of, is it a follow-up or is it a new appointment, right? So if I say follow-up, then it says that you are registered and this is my UID, right? So I'll click on this yes here. It will again give you an OTP in your phone, okay? So it's a little bit of a lengthy process, I guess, but then this is what it is, right? Yeah, so it gives me, you can see my details here. Then it shows that, okay, Dr. Bhatia, and, I say, okay, this is the one. Now, if you see, there's no slot in October, right? So if I want to meet him in October, obviously, somebody who wants to meet Dr. Bhatia in October will not have, the appointment ready, right? Because it's not possible. Okay, so I move on to another month. Now I have the slot available in 26th. I already have booked for 11th or 18th. I don't remember, but there are few slots which is available in November, just 1 week. Now Dr. Bhatia usually sits on a Tuesday, right? So Tuesday you can see that the slot is available, and December is fully open, right? So that's what I'm saying. So taking an appointment at AIIMS, it is not a very big deal. You have to have patience first, like the way going to AIIMS, it in itself you need to have a lot of patience, right? You really cannot visit AIIMS and hope that the doctor will meet you in just 1 hour. No, I have waited for like even 5 hours or 6 hours in a day, I'm talking about, right? So you need to have patience, and definitely you will get your chance to meet the doctor too. So you want to meet the doctor, and you are thinking that, okay, I'll take the appointment today, and I'll go to meet him next week. I'm sorry, but that is a little difficult. It's not going to happen. If you have your time in hand, definitely you will get an appointment, and it's pretty much possible for you to go ahead and visit. Right, so this was more like a educational video, again, like, showing you how you can go ahead and book your appointment at AIIMS. I hope it clarifies a lot of your doubt on how to go about doing it. The main point is that you will get an appointment at AIIMS, but you need to have time in hand. You can't get an appointment for next week if you're booking it today, right? So maybe next month, yes, 100% you will get an appointment. So I'm hoping that this video helps you book an appointment at AIIMS. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye bye. Hit subscribe.